Whew, this machine is heavy. Oh my goodness. Hi everyone, I'm Imperial, and we are going to unbox my brand new Bernette b77 sewing machine. So full disclosure, this machine was provided to me by Bernette. I am working with them and I'm super excited for the partnership, and I can't wait to see where we go from here. Our video today will be a strict unboxing. We're going to take a look at the machine as it comes out of the box, and we'll follow up with a video review later. So without further ado, that's what you want to see. Let's go see the machine. And that's how it comes out of the box. I think it was a really clean unboxing experience. It's a lot heavier than I had expected it to be, and I'm super excited to give it a try because an unboxing video only tells you what it looks like coming out of the box. It doesn't tell you how it works, why I like it, what things I wish I could change, if anything. I'm excited to sew on it, and I hope you are too. We'll see you real soon.